Hello everyone. Today we'll be discussing about the data normalization concept, right? So here data normalization is the process of organizing the data in the database to reduce the redundancy and to improve the data integrity, right? So here mainly, it's the process of organizing the data in the database to reduce the redundancy. So this part is very important. Nothing but normalize data normalization is nothing but we'll be making use of it to reduce the redundancy and to improve the data integrity. These things you have to keep in mind. So before getting into the query part, so let me explain one thing. So basically what does data normalization do here? It structures the data into multiple related tables, right? And also it applies the rules to minimize the duplicate data and making the database efficient and easier to maintain, right? So it structures data into multiple related tables and it applies rules called normal forms. So normal forms, we'll be seeing that one in the future. So just keep this in mind that it structures the data into multiple related tables and it applies certain rules called normal forms to minimize the duplicate data, making the database efficient and easier to maintain, right? So I should have typed this. I already did. Actually, I have executed the code as well, because we'll not be getting any input here, I mean output here. So use yt-test. This is nothing but the database name, and we have made use of the this one student table. Means here we have successfully created the table called student, right? So this creates a new table to just to demonstrate the unnormalized data. Unnormalized data. Finally, we have made use of the columns like this one, whether it may be course name, whether it may be instructor name. These may repeat. These may repeat, right? Showing the poor structure. Poor structure, basically, right? So here table is created, output table is created, and also no rows are shown yet. Only table is created, no rows are shown yet, but the table is created. The structure will lead to the redundancy. This structure will lead to the redundancy because columns like course name and instructor name, whatever we have made use of, this may repeat, may or may not, but it may repeat. That is the reason I have called this one as the pivot structure, right? Here no rows are shown yet, but the table will be created, and the structure will lead to the redundancy when multiple students enroll in the same course with the same instructor, right? So that is the reason in this case we'll be going with the normalization. For the further topics also, we'll be making use of the same this thing. We'll be going with certain examples. For now, just you should have the knowledge on this whatever we have discussed till now, right? So I hope the concept of data normalization is clear. For now, next we will be discussing about why normalize data. For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.